Hello guys, welcome back to our channel 1-2 Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can find your Apple ID and your password. So to do that, all you need to do is just first of all be in your app library and then just go ahead and find settings over here and tap on it. And guys, your Apple ID is right on top, just below the search bar, just above the airplane mode. You can see your name if you've logged in, or if not, you can see a sign in button over there. Just tap in and now you can see your Apple ID. If you want to see your password, then you just need to go to sign in security and tap on it, and then you can see the change password button over here. So you can change your password through that. You can type in your new password and then verify your old password, and through two-factor authentication you'll be able to secure your password and your Apple ID. So guys, that's how you find your Apple ID and your password. If you found this video helpful, then please leave a like and drop a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.